You pop the hood, see a layer of thick grime, and immediately grab the pressure washer. It feels like the fastest, most effective way to get things clean. But pulling that trigger is one of the quickest ways to cause thousands in electrical damage. Today we are busting the myth that high pressure is the best way to clean your engine bay, and I will show you the safe professional method instead. Think about what happens under the hood. Modern engines are packed with sensitive electronics. You have the alternator, the fuse box, individual coil packs, sensors, and countless wiring harnesses. They are designed to withstand a splash from a puddle while driving, not a direct blast of water. When you use a pressure washer, you force water past the rubber weather seals on these electrical connectors. Once moisture gets trapped inside, it causes corrosion, misfires, short circuits, or a car that simply will not start. Even older vehicles are highly vulnerable to forced water ingress. So, what is the right way? First, make sure your engine is warm, not hot. A warm engine helps loosen the grease naturally, but a hot engine will instantly bake your cleaning chemicals onto the plastic and metal surfaces. Next, grab some plastic bags and completely cover the most sensitive parts. Wrap up the alternator, the battery terminals, the fuse box, and any exposed air intakes. Taking 2 minutes to prep this will save you hours of diagnostic headaches later. Now, apply a high-quality engine degreaser generously over the metal and plastic components. Let it sit for a few minutes to break down the oil and dirt. Grab a soft bristle detailing brush and agitate the heavily soiled areas to lift the stubborn grime. To rinse, completely ditch the pressure washer. Use a standard garden hose with a regular shower nozzle attachment. You just want a gentle flow of water to wash away the degreaser. Keep the water moving and never flood a single area. Finally, remove the plastic bags and dry the engine bay. The best tool for this is compressed air or a leaf blower to force water out of all the tight crevices. If you do not have one, carefully wipe down all the accessible surfaces with microfiber towels. Finish with a water-based plastic protectant to keep everything looking brand new.